Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Jessica.
And we're here to show you that it's all yoga.
It's all yoga.
So we want to start just by showing you our physical traits. Believe it or not, Jessica and I are the same height. However, when you look at our bodies, you can realize none of our limbs aren't all the same. Yet, we are more than capable of getting into yoga postures, and that's what we really want to share with you today.
So, we have Jack, all leg and arms. We have me, I'm all torso. But when we get into a pose, you're going to see it's all yoga.
So we're going to step to the mat and we're going to show you what we got. Today we're going to be looking at the seated spinal twist and the different variations to get into it. The seated spinal twist is really good for the lower chakras, especially looking at your root, your sacral, your solar plexus, but this twist is also going to allow you to bend into that heart as well as your throat chakra. If you choose to, you can also have that drishti or that focus to even open the crown and the third eye.
This pose is all about authentic being. I think that's beautiful. So the oil we've chosen is black pepper, which is the oil of unmasking. Since pepper is a little bit spicy and this is all the chakras, we're going to go ahead and apply this one to the bottoms of our feet to help reduce any chance of having a skin irritation. And this oil reveals the masks and facades used to hide aspects of the self. Most individuals have been taught that some feelings and behaviors are good while others are not. So instead of seeking to understand seemingly inappropriate feelings and behaviors, they usually judge, condemn, and repress them. Individuals learn early on that to be loved and accepted, they must hide undesirable aspects of themselves behind a mask or a facade. So we want to release those feelings, bring out our true, authentic, beautiful self. And yet again, I just want to give a shout out to the Essential Emotions book. So coming into this pose, generally speaking, I have just done a stretch like this, and I have my people with their right foot tucked in, and then I just have them bring their foot up, and we all do a little bit of a test. So we cross over, and if that sit bone stays down, which you can see in Jack, then leave that foot crossed. As you can see, my sit bone comes up, so I actually do the spinal twist with my foot on this side of the leg. Now, where Jack's going to be able to hug around and link her elbow over. Beautiful. I'm going to hug around with my hand, and my hand does not reach the ground back here because I'm all torso, and so I pull on a block to give me that straight alignment, crown towards the sky, and just hug around with my hand and possibly get to an elbow. The more I breathe, elongate the spine, exhale, twist just a little bit further. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, twist just a little bit further. Remember guys, it's all yoga. Thanks for joining us.